Alright, so I'm going to give a quick tour of the backyard. It's going to be loud. There's chainsaws everywhere and a generator. Here's what it looks like. I was told we were hit by a tornado that apparently jumped over about 30 feet, knocked a bunch of stuff out. Anyway, starting right here, the power line, and this is the main power line apparently, is down, laid out through the yard. The garden did survive. Somehow, 100 and something mile an hour winds. This side of the yard is otherwise all right. When you get over here, this is what it's looking like. Lost just a few boards on the fence, nothing terrible. Here's one of the trees got hit pretty hard. Back over this way. This fence is broken, but we've got it propped up with some of our conveniently provided wood. We lost several branches back here. And then this fence in the back, the posts are completely broken, but it's also propped up. Let me go ahead and get closer to that. You can see that board is completely severed. That one looks to be, broken in half right at the ground. And you can kind of see the angle of the fence, maybe. And the whole top of that tree got ripped off. I'm not sure what's going on with these branches. They look like they're ready to come down. Oh, and our shed lost half of its roof. But our house is intact, which is really good news. And just looking out, let me step outside the fence. Just look up the street. Most of it's been cleared. Last night, there were probably 20 trees down on the street. But this is what my street looks like now. Wrecked. And then all of this came down too. All right, well, that's it.